Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full guide on how to show only newer comments on a YouTube video. This feature allows you to focus on the most recent comments and stay up to date with the latest discussions. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store and search for YouTube in the search bar. Look for the official YouTube app, which is represented by a square red and white play button logo. Tap on Install to download the app. Step 2. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the YouTube app. If you haven't signed in yet, be sure to do so. Signing in is mandatory to access all the features, including comment settings. Step 3. Find the YouTube video you want to explore and tap on Comments located below the channel's name. This will take you to the comment section of the video. Step 4. Inside the comment section, you'll notice various sorting options. Look for the option labeled Newest and tap on it. This will rearrange the comments to display the most recent ones first. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to show only newer comments on a YouTube video. Now you can easily keep track of the latest discussions and engage with the freshest comments. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.